Imagine a world where gadgets do more than just execute commands. They think, they learn, they adapt. Welcome to the future of AI gadgets. These intelligent devices are transforming our everyday lives, learning from our behaviors and making decisions on our behalf. In this video, we'll count down the top 5 AI gadgets that are leading the charge in this technological revolution. Each one promises to redefine your everyday experiences in remarkable ways. So, let's dive into the fascinating world of AI gadgets that will change your life forever. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the AI personal assistant. This marvel of technology is all about making your life smoother. With unparalleled voice recognition, it listens to your commands, managing tasks with precision. Need reminders for your meetings or help with your shopping list? It's got you covered, but that's not all. Over time, it learns your habits, predicting your needs before you even voice them. Its convenience and efficiency all wrapped into one. With this gadget, your life gets a little bit easier every single day. Moving on to number 4, we have the Smart Home Hub. This nifty gadget is like having your very own digital butler. It can control multiple devices in your home, from your lights to your thermostat. But here's the kicker, it learns your preferences over time, tailoring your environment to your liking. The cherry on top? The Smart Home Hub also enhances home security, keeping an electronic eye on your abode. With the Smart Home Hub, managing your home becomes a breeze. At number 3, we have the AI Fitness Tracker. This remarkable gadget is like having a personal trainer on your wrist. It crafts personalized workout plans fine-tuned to your body's needs and fitness levels. But it doesn't stop there. The AI Fitness Tracker constantly monitors your health, keeping tabs on your heart rate, sleep patterns, and more. What's more, it tracks your progress over time, giving you a clear picture of your fitness journey. With the AI Fitness Tracker, achieving your fitness goals has never been easier. Coming in at number 2, we have the self-driving car. This